I don't know if I ever showed you, but this right here is my setup. So I've got like the two speakers, speaker one, speaker two. I've got this huge monitor in which I use for scripting, shooting, everything. Usually this camera right here goes behind in this tripod to shoot me directly. And here I've got this small screen in which I just see what I shoot with my camera. And everything is connected to this MacBook Pro. So this is pretty much the setup in which I create all of my courses. Obviously, this is the microphone that you see in the videos connected to this cable right here. So this is pretty much how I create all of my courses. And this is the latest course that I've just created. It is a custom GPT course. I use this whiteboard to just script out the courses. Once I'm done writing something in the whiteboard, I always print it out. So I've got it also in paper. All right. So this is, I can't show you this right now. It is future stuff you're gonna see later. But this is pretty much, everything I write in the whiteboard, I always print out on paper. So let me show you the Skillshare stats. Every day that I wake up, I just check out the Skillshare stats of the day. November is doing great. We've already generated like 1,200, and we already got like 1 week more left in November. Those were the stats, and it's actually looking great. If you go to months, you can see that November is already perhaps my best month, all right? And it looks great. We already got like, let's see how many students. 500 almost students in November, which is absolutely amazing. So number one task of the day is to start uploading this course on Udemy. I'm just gonna start bulk uploading all of the lessons right now, so we're done by the end of the day because the Wi-Fi here absolutely sucks. After that, we're responding to some messages of my students on Telegram, which are absolutely doing amazing. Two of my students are almost ready to upload their first course on Skillshare, which is absolutely amazing. So this is what we're doing after we're uploading the course on Udemy. So as you can see, Udemy is currently uploading. The whiteboard is completely wiped out, ready for new ideas and new projects. And I think that it's time to go for a run. Yeah, running is kind of like my new thing here. 5 kilometers. Let's hit it. Running's done. Time for some push-ups, and then we're back upstairs at the office for some more work. $27% still. Are you joking me right now? I told you. The Wi-Fi is slow here. The Wi-Fi is very slow here. As I was running, I was thinking that I literally practice what I preach. Like, I'm not just a guy that tells you, hey, create courses. I literally create my own courses. Like this course that you saw back there in the whiteboard, I literally created this in like a week or more, in 5 days. And it's a 2-hour course, and I just uploaded it on Skillshare. I'm uploading it on Udemy. So I am literally, I am doing the work that I'm teaching as I'm teaching it. It's like having two jobs. So this is very cool. Now, apart from work, there's also one more thing that absolutely needs to be done, and I really am so bored to do, but for your sake and my sake, we need to tackle this today. And this is actually to pick up hot glue and glue this tile like straight, because look at how unsatisfying this is. Everything's perfect, and then this tile is just completely off. So again, for your sake as viewers and as students, and for my sake as a person that lives in this room right here, we absolutely need to tackle this task today. And later tonight, we're also editing an introductory video for one of my latest courses. Again, this introductory video needs to be edited and done tonight, so that's also in the plans for tonight. I mean, it's not that perfect, but I guess it's gonna work for now. I wish I could literally show you the progress of one of my students in the one-on-one coaching that I offer, right? 2 weeks ago, when we started working together, she couldn't even record a single lesson of her course. All she knew how to do was like create one person presentation, and 2 weeks later, she has already recorded like 5 lessons, and each lesson is like an hour long. So this means that she's on track to create a 10 hour course, and this is a very niche course, which means that it's probably going to be very, very profitable, and I'm very happy for her. And it's crazy. She learned all this in 2 weeks. She's extremely grateful. Another student of mine, he's ready to upload his first course on Skillshare. If not today, I'm just gonna contact him right now. If not today, he's gonna upload it tomorrow. And he actually got accepted to teach on Skillshare by some tips and tricks that I shared with him. So this is just great news. My students are actually performing amazingly, and I'm very happy about that. Also, if you're into books and you want to upgrade your online course business or pretty much any online business that you have with $20, I'd suggest you to buy and read these two books. Okay, we're talking about Dot-Com Secrets by Russell Brunson and Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. He also has a third book which is called Traffic Secrets. All right, I haven't read it, but these two books are absolute essentials if you want to understand how an online business works. All right, how to create funnels, how to monetize your passions. These, many of the principles that I discuss in my one-on-one calls and in my courses, I've gotten from these two books. So absolutely recommended if you like again reading books and you want to take this online thing to the next level. For now, we got some work to do. Let's upload this course on Udemy. I need to search engine optimize the title and the description of this course, then answer some messages on Telegram, which I communicate with my one-on-one students. And finally, to end the day, I think that we need to rewrite something in this whiteboard because it just feels too empty right now. So let's just plan some stuff to write in this whiteboard. So we're exporting the introductory video right now. Let me actually show you how I edited this introductory video and how easy it is to edit introductory videos. So this is the A-roll, right? This right here, this part is called the A-roll, which is just me, right? Videos of me just talking. And on top of the A-roll, I just add B-roll, which is just stock footage, right? So regarding what I'm describing, I just add stock footage. And this is just a very basic introductory video. I didn't put that much effort to it. One thing I did, and you can actually implement in your videos, is to add just a small logo in the beginning of the introductory video, just like I added this one here. So that's pretty much like this small like animation that I added at the beginning of this video just to make it a bit cooler. And with that, ladies and gents, I think we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed the day in life of a course creator. And let me know if you like these types of videos. I might be able to create more of them if you enjoyed it. I'm going to see you in the next video.